Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to cook an Italian dish for you. Homemade pasta with creamy Alfredo sauce and roasted eggplant topping. First, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your own pasta noodles at home. Next, I'm going to show you how you can prepare the creamy Alfredo sauce, the white sauce. In the end, I'll show you how I prepare the roasted or sautéed eggplant toppings. Let's start the cooking. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please click the bell button also. Let's start making the pasta noodles. For pasta, I'm going to use unbleached flour, all-purpose. See, unbleached is not like white like maida. It's a little bit yellowish color. Oil. Tiny bit of oil, some salt, one egg. Egg is optional. And add water little by little. Just like you make for chapati. Tiny bit of oil. If you want this pasta to be very healthy, you can use whole wheat flour or any flour of your choice. Sometimes what I do, I grind some spinach, cilantro, dhania leaves and some garlic with some water, and I use that mixture to make the dough. The dough will be green in color but very flavorful. This is the spinach and cilantro pasta. As you can see, this is the thin one. The thin noodles. That's it. Okay. So I'm going to just split it into like 3 balls. I'm going to use this pasta machine to make my noodles today. But before that, if you don't have a machine, let me show you what you can do. If you don't have a pasta machine, not a problem. You can just roll it and cut it into thin slices. Then you can just, the edge you can throw it away. I mean, don't throw it away, you can save it. You can roll it with the next batch. So then you can just like that. Cut like thin slices like that. I just want to show you, if you don't have a pasta machine, how to make the noodles. So now I'm going to use the machine. When you use the machine, you don't have to thinly roll the dough. You can just flatten the dough in your hand and just run it through the machine, the top slot. That will flatten the dough. Run it a couple of times. Again, do it until the dough is nicely flattened and become thin. And then you can make the pasta. Okay, it's perfect. So now it's, I think, thin enough. Yeah, that's enough. Now I'm going to run it through the pasta slot to make the pasta. The pasta will come from underneath. See, there it is. So this is little wider pasta, and if you want thin pasta, there's another slot. The first slot will make like a thin round pasta, but now I want little wider pasta, so I'm using the middle slot. So this is how you make the pasta in the machine. Pasta is ready. Homemade pasta. Next, we are going to boil this pasta. Put some salt in it and some oil. While waiting for the water to boil to cook the pasta, let's start with the sauce. Let's prepare the white sauce, the Alfredo sauce. I had shown this Alfredo sauce recipe in an earlier pasta video, and I'm showing it here again for your convenience. I'm going to make the Alfredo sauce a little differently. Usually it's just plain white sauce, but I'm going to add some sauteed mushroom to it to give it some flavor. Some sliced garlic. A little bit of onion. Add some mushrooms. Transfer the sauteed mushroom onto a plate. Let's leave the mushroom aside and let it cool before we can grind this. In the same pan, I'm going to add some olive oil and saute some eggplants, slices of brinjal, and I'm going to use that as topping for the pasta. These are sliced eggplants, thinly sliced eggplants. I'm going to roast this nicely. I'm adding a little bit more olive oil because the eggplant really sucks a lot of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This is minced garlic and red capsicum cut into tiny pieces. Mushroom. I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and some pepper. If you want to spice up your pasta, you can sprinkle some chili flakes also. This sauteed eggplant with mushroom and red bell pepper or red capsicum going to be the yummy and colorful topping for our pasta. This is sauteed enough, so I'm transferring them into a bowl. So let's make the sauce now. I have unbleached all-purpose flour here. Remember, it's not cornstarch, it's all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm going to mix it with water and just make it like a thin watery paste. You can use an egg beater or a hand mixture, an electric one, to beat it nicely so there are no clumps in the mixture. Let's make the sauce. I'm going to use half and half. It is a little bit creamier than the regular milk, but if you don't have this, you can just use regular milk. Cook the milk in medium heat and keep stirring it. Don't let it burn. When the milk is about to boil, you add the flour mixture. And again, keep stirring it. This flour mixture actually gives some thickness to the sauce. And after stirring it for a while, if you think the sauce is too thick, you can either add a little bit more water or some more milk. Again, keep stirring that. Keep stirring. The black stuffs that you're seeing in the sauce They're nothing but the sauteed vegetables that we're sticking on the spoon. The sauteed mushroom is nice and cool now. I'm going to grind them into a paste. The flour mixture we added to the milk is fully cooked now. So now we can add the ground mushroom paste. Keep stirring the mixture and add salt according to your taste. And keep stirring it. The sauce is almost ready. We're going to add the final ingredient, Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese or powdered Parmesan cheese. And you can add this as much as you want according to your taste. Mix it really well and leave it there until the cheese is nicely melt and incorporate with the sauce, and that's it. Creamy Alfredo sauce is ready for your pasta. Pasta is being boiled. It's almost cooked. It's all floating on top. And make sure the pasta is fully cooked, and then you can switch off the stove and strain the pasta and sprinkle some olive oil so that it won't stick together. Cooking is done. Let's serve the pasta. Homemade pasta with creamy Alfredo sauce and roasted eggplant is ready. Let's serve. Take the sauce, the creamy sauce, and pour it over the pasta as much as you want. Then you can add this eggplant and mushroom and bell pepper. If you want, you can roast some chicken and slice them into pieces and serve them along with the pasta. To make this pasta more delicious, sprinkle Parmesan cheese, powdered Parmesan cheese on top. Pasta is served. Here is the homemade pasta with homemade creamy Alfredo sauce with roasted eggplant topping. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be back soon with another easy and interesting and delicious recipe. Until then, take care. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button and share the video with your family and friends, please. The subscription is 100% free. There's no money involved. But your subscription means a lot to me. So thank you so much and take care, and thank you for watching.